I've lived long enough with automated strategies to know which ones demand applause and which quietly earn it. And after running EA Avengers MT4 on my own trading for quite some time now, this one didn't ask for attention, it just kept showing up and doing the job. This isn't a launch day reaction or a borrowed opinion, alright? This is a seasoned review of EA Avengers MT4 from someone who's already watched it trade through trends, pauses, and pressure without losing its composure. Starting at the very beginning. The setup for EA Avengers MT4 is refreshingly simple. You download the zip file, right-click it, choose the extract option, and once extracted, you'll see the EA file along with the README and installation instructions laid out cleanly. I dropped EA Avengers MT4 into the MT4 Experts folder, restarted the platform, attached it to the chart, enabled auto trading, and okay, it was ready without errors, missing files, or unnecessary steps. Now let's slow things down and look at Myfxbook, because this is where EA Avengers MT4 really speaks for itself. The account shows a gain of about 1,010.71%, with an absolute gain near 1,021.39%, built steadily over time rather than through reckless spikes. Starting from a $1,000 deposit, the balance grows to around $11,095.41, with equity closely tracking at roughly $10,973.91 and total profit sitting near $10,105.98. Monthly growth averages around 5.73%, daily movement stays modest near 0.08%, and drawdown peaks around 41.20%, which is significant but clearly managed through structured recovery rather than panic exits. Trade distribution across multiple pairs like GBPUSD, EURUSD, EURJPY, and others shows win rates generally ranging between the mid-60s to low 70s, and the equity curve trends upward with visible pullbacks that recover logically instead of collapsing. What I noticed while monitoring EA Avengers MT4 is that it doesn't chase the market, it waits, executes, absorbs pressure, and then rebuilds, which is exactly the behavior long-term traders look for. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part. Running EA Avengers MT4 on MT4 with a $10,000 initial deposit using every tick modeling, the report shows a total net profit of $2,694.54, gross profit of $4,404, and gross loss of $1,709.46. Profit factor comes in around 2.58, absolute drawdown is about $2,726.78, and relative drawdown reaches roughly 49.95%, which aligns with the recovery-based logic seen in live performance rather than presenting unrealistic curves. So, to wrap this up, after personally testing EA Avengers MT4, reviewing its Myfxbook performance in detail, and validating the logic through MT4 backtesting, I'd describe EA Avengers MT4 as a structured, trend-aware system built for traders who understand patience and risk cycles. This specific bot is available on our website, and to know more about EA Avengers MT4, just check the description provided. If you want updates, deeper insights, and real user discussions around live performance, you can also join our Telegram group, where traders actively share experiences and observations.